Hello friends, if you have already joined Pharos Airdrop but you don't have enough Pharos Testnet tokens to mint NFTs, then keep watching and I will show you a secret website that you can use to claim more Pharos Testnet tokens every day for free. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications bell so you can get notified every time we upload new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram, where we publish the latest airdrop news. Link will be down below in the description box. Now, let's get started. First, go to this website. I will leave the link for this website down below in the description box, so copy and paste it into your browser, and then you will land on this page. Then, click on Login to send me 0.2. They will show you this message, so click on sign up now, and then you will be redirected to this page, and here you can sign up using your Google account, GitHub account, or you can type in your email address, a password, and then check this box on the left side, and when you are done, move this slide from left to the right side and click on continue. Next, they will send you a verification code to your email address, so copy that code and paste it here. And finally, they will ask you to type in your first and last name, and when you are done, click on complete. Then you will land on this page, but first we need to grab our wallet address. As I showed you before, I'm using MetaMask, so let's open MetaMask wallet. And as you see, I have about 1.36 Pharos Testnet tokens in my wallet. And to copy your wallet address, click on this address under beneath the word account 1. Then go back here and paste your wallet address inside this box. Then click on send. Now let's open MetaMask wallet again. And as you see, I have successfully received 0.2 Pharos Testnet tokens. It could take up to 5 minutes, so you need to be a little bit patient. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. See you soon, guys. Good luck.